Traditionally, patients would undergo one particular operation called a total knee replacement. However, a lot more commonly and more modern times now, we're doing a procedure called a partial knee replacement. Now, although the name suggests it's not so much half a job as a total knee replacement, there can actually be a lot more intricacies compared to a total knee replacement, and a lot more actually goes into it. Most of the arthritis that we see is usually focused to one part of the knee rather than the whole knee in general. The knee has actually three main sections that make up one big knee joint. And most of the time, I'd probably say in my practice, about 85% of the time, only one of those three compartments have actually got arthritis. With partial knee replacements and the advancements that have come through these days, we're getting patients back to all of their activities. What you can expect on the day of the procedure is we'll take you down to the anesthetic room, and it's usually done under an epidural anesthetic. So we don't need to give you a general anesthetic, but we do give you some sedation to make you comfortable. It's performed through a very minimally invasive technique, almost half the size or even a third of the size of an incision that you'd see with a total knee replacement. We resurface just the area that's arthritic. The way I see it, it's a bit like a crown in the tooth. So just like how the tooth has a few chips, you keep the tooth, we shape it, and then we put an artificial prosthesis. We don't touch any of the ligaments in the knee, any of the other healthy structures. Because you keep the majority of your own knee, we find that patient recovery is very quick, and it feels much more like a natural feeling knee. And we also have a rapid rehabilitation pathway as well, where you see the physiotherapist that day. So you're back to your suite, have a bite to eat, and you're up and about straight away. And most patients even go home the same day. The results nationally are fantastic, so we try and perform a partial knee replacement where possible. Of course, not every knee is suitable for it, so you'll undergo a thorough investigation to see that you are suitable for a partial knee replacement. Total knee replacement is still a very good option, but we find that the majority of patients are suitable for this technique, which has been around for well over 30, 40 years now. So it's tried and tested. We've got high figures, high data on it, and they're all very promising. One of the key aspects after a partial knee replacement is the recovery period. So we really try and get you to do as much physiotherapy as you can soon after. To get to the knee, unfortunately, it's covered by a lot of muscle, and we have to cut through that muscle to get to the knee. We stitch it all up, but it becomes very weak afterwards, and that's your main limiting factor. The prosthesis that we put in is solid, so you can put all your weight on it that day. The limiting factor is the weak muscles. So we find that when patients recover back to their normal muscle mass, that's when you're back to all your activities. So we say there's a lot of homework to be done. We try and get you to do your exercises every day at home. Within about 2 weeks, we try and get you on an exercise bike. That's one of the best things you can do. So I would definitely invest on an exercise bike at home if you are thinking to go down the route of knee replacement surgery. Because you're sitting on the bike, you're not loading the knee, and as you're pedaling, you're building up the quadriceps muscles. It can take about 6 to 8 weeks to get back to most day-to-day activities fairly comfortably. It's not to say you're fully recovered by then, but it can take anywhere up to 12 months. That's for random niggles and aches and pains to settle, but we find that once the scar tissue settles, and mostly once you've built your muscles up, in particular your quadriceps muscles, that's when you're back to doing all of the activities fairly comfortably. And we're pleased to say that patients that do try very hard with the rehab are very, very happy with the results, but we're with you every step of the way.